as TED Talks from your professional English syllabus. So what is TED Talks? So before knowing what is TED Talks, I would like to tell you about, in our everyday experience, everyone would have at least listened to one documentation of anybody in our lifetime. Even it can be a teacher, it can be a friend, it can be a public speaker, it can be a guest sometimes when you were in school, in TV, channels, anyway. Every time, what does this documentation is meaning, or what a person is trying to tell or teach to the people who are listening to them. So there is a mythology or a belief that the world listens only to the people who are successful. That's the truth, isn't it? So just imagine you're walking in a road. You see a man very shabbily dressed, and he looks somewhat like a mad person. And he's coming and telling you some sort of life advice. Will you take it? You will just cross him, or you will be afraid of that person and you will just run away from him. At the same time, a person with so much of good looks, he or she is coming very beautifully in front of you. They are very smart, they are very formal. So if they are coming and talking to you, your approach, and this person is coming and you will be just admiring him or her. Suddenly that person is coming and talking and giving you an advice, a life lesson or something like that. You will believe him because you think that the successful people or a rich person or a good looking person will be always factual. So that's what is the belief of our society. But here we are coming across so many things. So here the speciality of the TED Talks is like they bring so many people who are really admirable, really with some knowledge, and most probably we can say that they are successful in the society. So what is the influence that TED Talks is giving to the people, those who are listening to them, is it is creating curiosity towards life. What sort of curiosity? There will be so many guest speakers, there will be celebrities, they can be honored persons, and they will be notable persons in the society. So they are giving, and you do not think that it will be only documentation, it will be very boring, no such things. Here in TED Talks, if you like cinema, if you are towards entertainment, you can go and watch entertainment TED Talks. There are people who are from there. If you like sports personalities will come. If you like to be an entrepreneur, so many CEOs will come and give a talks. So you can develop, there are multiple chances, multiple phases where you can listen to this TED Talks. So as a student, what is the purpose of bringing it to you is, you want to learn so many things after listening to a TED Talks. Now, even me, including me or you, if we see a person, we'll go and just talk, blah, blah, blah. It's not that. How professionally I have to act, how professionally I'm going to stand, how professionally I'm going to dress, how I'm going to be responsive to the society. We should have an intention, what I'm going to teach the society. So the TED Talks helps in that way. So importance of listening to TED Talks is, according to your syllabus, it can be taken like, it will develop your curiosity and it will develop your listening skill. And moreover, it is enhancing your ability of admiring a person in a positive way. So the next one is, what are the skills you learn from it? The skill learning is always pre-stage, post-stage, and the stage atmosphere, stage preferences, how we take. So before listening to a TED Talk, so just imagine you people are ready to listen to a TED Talk. What are the skills? How you are going to learn skills, or how you are going to develop skills through this? So the first one is pre-preparation before listening to a TED Talk. So what you have to do is, you have to take a note. You have planned to take it, isn't it? For example, you're having an entrepreneur mindset, so you can listen. You're going to listen to an CEO talk. So before listening to this TED Talks, things you have to prepare. So you're taking a note. You're ready to listen to something. So you are collecting some information from there. So you have to be prepared to write notes over it. Okay. So we'll be having a separate session on note taking after a TED Talks listening. So here, the first one is, you're taking notes from the video descriptions, what the speaker is speaking about. Okay. And next one is stage pose. What is stage pose? The stage pose is nothing but, we believe a public speaker should have these qualities when they come and stand on a stage. For example, their dressing sense, the dress code what they follow, and the tone of speech which they have, and the next thing is like how they are connected with the public or the listeners, how impactfully they are going to speak. And there is another word said as talking or giving lectures according to the audience. Know your audience. There is a phrase called as know your audience. For example, my audiences are 20 years, 20 to 30, all teenagers. And my mindset is like 50s, 60s and all. If I go and stand there and advise them, those people are not going to listen to me. Instead, I have to bring some humors over there. According to the phrase called as know your audience. I have to know the likes and dislikes of the audience. So these are the things that you have to admire from a speaker who is giving a speech from a TED Talks. So you can make it as a practice when you come and stand in the stage. When you look into the people, you can be very clear about it. Okay, so you will also try to do the same thing. So because of that, by doing that in action, what is going to be developed? The way of communication with people is going to be developed, and always having a very positive tone. Even if something is happening negative around you, even you're not getting connected with the audience, you can make it possible over there. So you can get trained even after that. Is this person is doing that good? So I'm going to learn this from this person. So that's what is the stage pose. And next one is the overall stage. How the audience are connected with the speaker. How the speaker is connected with the audience. Is the speaker prepared before getting into the stage? We used to say that, oh, I don't think that this man is so stuffed. Some people will get the opposite, like, this man is so stuffed, but he is not able to connect with the audience. He is not able to deliver his concept to the people. So in the Madri Vishayamlo, we can see in this. So that's how the TED Talks is going to work in your things. So because of this, what are the qualities you're going to develop is, you're going to completely develop your writing skills, your listening skills, your way of admiring a person, observation skills, your critical and analytical thinking is also going to grow up. Okay, so thank you. Thank you for listening to my lectures, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you all.